Here we go. Having a lot of fun, going super fast. You got crest of the hill, not paying attention. We got a vehicle over the side. Ooh, baby, that was a little close call. That is not something you want to be doing. Okay, remember, crest of the hill, you can't see anything. You just can't see anything. So position yourself a little bit better. Plan your ride, because just in case something like that happens, we have a bunch of idiots on the road out there. So Moto UK, here we go. We have, obviously, it says right there. Whoa, big idiot right there. Just kind of let that happen. They didn't hit you. Okay, you know, the new situation involved now is anger, emotions, feelings.
It's a 20 miles an hour zone, mate. It's made.
So angry man with a terrible looking mustache is not as good. That's probably why he's so angry. Here we go. Can't spell your name, but we're gonna go ahead and go kind of fast around this corner. Must be a really fun corner. Side of the vehicle. No. We're gonna go back on that one. Okay, so here's the thing. We're going absolutely ridiculously fast. You know, we love this corner. We're having a good time. I'm pretty sure this is a corner that he does all the time. He or she, I don't know. The rider does all the time. Seems like we got full gear. We got some leathers and everything, but that's not gonna save you in a situation like this. We're just going a little too fast. Okay, so as soon as we get into here, we see the side of the vehicle. Boom. Now what are we doing? He's kind of sitting up like, what am I doing here? This is kind of like, piqued my interest, you know, orange stage. Well, no, we got the side of the vehicle. This is an intersection. We should have been in orange stage prior to this, but if we're hauling ass, we're not paying attention. We're kind of zoned out. We're just, you know, enjoying ourselves, hauling ass, not really looking around, not zoned in, which is going to be the yellow stage right here. We got to zone in. At this point, it is now a red stage maneuver. We have to get ourselves out of here. So what is our total stopping distance? It's not very far, and we're going super duper fast. So in order to even stop in time, we have to have at least a little bit of braking distance. Our perception reaction might be good, but if we're going too fast, it's going to be super far. So all we can really do in this situation is try to find a way to swerve. Now, that might be like, you know, that looks like a small gap. Now, think about this. This is where you have to think really quickly, and this is why going slower is better, because you can actually make better decisions with more time. Why don't we just swerve into here? I don't know. I'm just throwing out options here. We could swerve there. We might not be able to make that, and we might be able to do that. These are the only options. Absolutely, you can't stop. You're not going to be able to stop in time. So I would open up and go for something like this, slow it down while applying the brakes. I don't see anybody there, and then hopefully do a nice little U-turn within 20 feet, because I've been practicing the Smart Rider drills, you know, just in case. But if we go back even further, how about we just don't do this? How about we just don't haul ass? Because then look at, he panicked. Completely brown staged. Didn't do what he's supposed to do. So class, make sure you're not doing stuff like this. He blew up everything. Look, it's on fire and everything like that. So don't haul ass. Oh, idiot doesn't know what a yield sign is. What is it? Hey, when you say stuff like that, just let them know how it is. Nicely. Hey, it's their choice to slow down. It's your job to modulate your speed. So they're confused because you honked your horn at them. That is why you just kind of let things go and do your job. Now, let's go back just a little bit here. So when we're coming up to a sign right here, look, it says even prepared to stop. This person says, idiot doesn't know what a yield sign is. That's that person doing their thing. You have absolutely no control. If you're trying to influence others, it's because you're doing it through anger, especially in this situation. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. So let's watch this. He's going to go ahead and slow down and yield. We automatically honk the horn. Now, for this person, they need to be looking around. They're trying to be as safe as possible. This rider is not allowing this person to do their job. Don't be that. That's not being a smart rider at all.
No!
Just because you don't know how to slow down and do a slow straight line does not mean that this person needs to slow down and allow you to not stop. Absolutely dumb. They're confused now because you did all that. All right, driver made a left turn in front of me. Okay, his phone is gone. Guess why? Come on now. If you had a rock form mount. Anyways, we're going to have side of the vehicles. Anybody left turning in front of us? There's the headlights in us. Good swerve. One sec. We got to pause that. That was a great swerve. What that person did was recognize something, went to orange stage, saw the side of the vehicle, saw the headlights, right, Tracy Lynn, and then was able to swerve around that. So they went into a red stage maneuver because they located the hazard and then they navigated. Couldn't do much of an adaptation, but let's take a quick look. He's still in the same lane. He's in lane position 2. He's gonna go lane position 1. So he recognized it soon. He did a little bit of the brights. I mean the high beams. Watch. He's doing the high beams, like letting him know, hey, you dum-dum. And then he's gonna go ahead adjust himself. He didn't even really have to navigate. Great job on this rider, Saul Garcia. Jeez, did an amazing job. So gaming gems moving through here, having a intersection orange stage. Watch out, yellow. Okay, side of the vehicle. Hey, it happens. That person was not anticipating you going. They saw it was a yellow. I guess if you're angry, probably. That's an Icon Air Flight helmet, by the way. He has to keep it up like that because the GoPro.
We're out in Queens, heading back.
Okay.
A very good lesson for this biker, convincing him how to approach pedestrians with more caution and distrust.
All right. Whoa. Good job on the swerve. So that pedestrian decided to make a dumb move and change direction. Just like little kids, they're unpredictable, okay? They're not paying attention. Why walk in the street and not look where traffic is coming from, right? Did a great job, though. Got himself out of there. Moto UK, once again, we got some more. We got an orange stage situation with a roundabout. That person does not understand what a roundabout is and just went straight through. Did a good job recognizing that. So we got some more here. Oh, merge issue. Should not have done that. Great progressive brake pressure. Let's go ahead and pause it so that can stay on the screen. Great progressive brake pressure. That was amazing. Slowed down, recognized it. I think Moto UK has some amazing smart rider skills. Probably took our course.